Phone of Our Own, The Deaf Insurrection Against Ma Bell by Harry Lang is a very inspiring book. It tells us how the deaf, when confronted with this new exciting technology, the telephone, and finding that they couldn't use it, worked out a way using couplers that they invented to use this network so that they could communicate among themselves and with the rest of the world. We are now looking at the problems of people who are both deaf and blind to see how they might use modern communications technology such as a smartphone. Now, unfortunately, if you're both deaf and blind, the only part of the phone that works for you to get information from the phone is the vibrate. So what we did was to use the vibrate with Morse code, and with that a deaf-blind person can use our free apps to send and receive text messages, access Wikipedia, etc. Now we are trying to get this technology accepted within the deaf-blind community, to get a few people started with electronic communications. The way that we plan to go about it is to organize a national competition. In this there will be 4 teams for which we have a grant from the Information Society Innovation Fund. Now each of these teams will consist of one deaf-blind person and a friend or relative who is technology savvy and can help the deaf-blind person with technology issues. In the course of a year, we will organize at least 4 workshops where we will have the top experts that we can find teach these people communication techniques that work with each other. So, at the end of the year, to win the competition, the deaf-blind person will have to show proficiency in being able to communicate electronically using a smartphone, sending and receiving text messages, accessing Wikipedia and Twitter. Whereas the friend will have to demonstrate skills in braille, in finger spelling, and in sign language. That will help these two to communicate very well together, not just for this project, but hopefully also in the future. There will also be a special item in the competition in which this team will look to identify and complete a project to help the deaf-blind person. For that, if programming skills, etc. are required, those will be communicated also. Of course, the benefits for the deaf-blind person are obvious. The person can communicate independently, access all the information in Wikipedia, etc. For the friend, the benefits are that you get a head start in haptic technology, where you use the sense of touch for communications, which is the up-and-coming area in smartphone technology. Let's not forget that merely using the sense of touch when the user communicates with the screen using a touch screen has given us the smartphone and its revolutionary capabilities. What we are talking about now is using the sense of touch in the other direction, where information comes to you using the sense of touch. We hope, therefore, that these will be valuable skills in the years to come as haptic technology picks up, so that these people who participate in our competition will get a head start in smartphone technology. For further information, please visit our website bapsi.org. Thank you very much.